Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Fibula Week 1, my new project here. As you can see, a lot of new things here. So, where do we begin? I am not actually sure. So, the plan for this project that I started 1 week ago now, uh, that is to make an RPG based on the old MMO Tibia that I played as a kid, and I've been recently playing it as well. So that's where part of my inspiration comes from. I want to learn a lot of things with this, especially inventories, stats, RPG, just all of the RPG stuff, saving, for example. So this is what I've got so far. Thanks to my brother for making the model here, where you can walk around. Looks really good. It was especially better than before this, yesterday. I had a floating P. That's that was the player model. So now we actually have something to work on here. So that's a lot better. It looks a lot more nicer. I've recently started with the NPCs. They only have the behavior of walking around right now, and as you can see as well, there's only one model for the humans. So that's all I've done with them right now. Uh, if we start at the top here, you can see what we have added. We have health, we have mana, we got the level, we have working bars as well. We got the attack, ranged, magic, defense, armor, and speed. That's the stats that I'm gonna work with on this game. I've also, as you can see here, I've started with inventory as well as the some of the equipment slots. So it's gonna be like rings and trinkets here. And later on in the game, we're gonna probably have some kind of misc slot because I do want to have light in the game. So you have to manage some sort of resource to get that. Yep. If you hold over, I've added little like description boxes for things, and you can I probably this entire box here. This is what I worked on like half of this week to get the inventory working because that's entirely new for me. But I think I got it into a decently good place here. If you can drag things and they take up more space. We can look here, and if we here, you can see that this one has 2 armor. So let's put that on. Same with these. They take up 2 slots and pants. Yep. So things are working pretty good here, and I'm happy with that. Down here, we got something that I added today, actually. This is the rune system. I think we're gonna just do some basic combat here, and I'll show you what I've got in store for this one. And this little one here is the gold that you have. And then this big box down here is the chat window. So we have some debugging tools over here, like save game, clear. This is not going to be in the end game here. But if we save a game, you can see that information comes down here. Game has been saved. So that's where you get the information as a player here. So placeholders, as you all can see. The plan is to have the game loop be that you move between towns and then you go out after you get a quest or something to do compared to the story. And then you go out into the world, just like in old JRPGs, and you go to places and fight monsters. So in this case, we got a cave over here. So let's go in here. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one is if you hold Control and I press Control S, that means I've added that as a rotation. So you see my character is rotating, but Control S is actually the Unity save command. I'm gonna have to find some way to disable that for this project. Yeah, so we're inside the cave here, and let's go. You right-click the enemies, and you get a little box here. And white cloud means we hit each other, but both of them we rolled better. And an attack means yeah, we hit. Oh, I missed there. He hit me. And yeah, here you go. I gained 5 experience. And then if you right click the body here, you can see that we get a little loot window over here. And you have to, I'm going to add a little button here for closing it. But if you walk away, it also closes immediately. So we got a deep rat over there. There we go. So yeah, this is the what I've got so far, which I'm really happy with 1 week. I've been really invested in getting everything working, especially the inventory. I'm really happy that worked out. Oh yeah, and then for another thing that I've added today was the rune system. This is going to be a big thing in the game. Uh, so we level up here, nice. And no loot. You can see here we picked up 1 gold as well. I'm not sure if I'm gonna split this into 2. Maybe have a combat log or something here, like you hit the rat for 4 damage. Rat hits you or something like that. I'm not sure yet how I'm gonna split it all up here. But yeah, the runes. So we have 8 runes right now. I have it planned so we are gonna unlock rune slots. So you're gonna start with 1, or probably even gonna start with 0. And then as soon as you unlock one of them, you can press the runes. So this is rune number 1. And you get the where you can choose. In this case, I've only added the missile rune. So you can check this one at, I want this one to be the missile rune. And yep, we got that one. So in the beginning, you're gonna only be able to have 1 rune selected, or of the, like, you might have like the speed rune, the heal rune, the guard rune, and so on. In this case, we only have the missile rune, so we're gonna select that. Later on, we're gonna have a little bar or something over here that says like, because currently if you press 1, you activate rune number 1. So if we go to this rat here, and we press 1 here, oh, you can see that we spend a bunch of our mana and we shoot a rune at the enemy. So that's one thing I've added here. I haven't added mana regeneration yet, but that is something we're gonna add. And yeah, so this is what I've got so far. Really happy with this. I've got someone working on the tile map as well. Really happy with that. So there's going to be some shout outs in the future here, probably. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out here. This is all super early in development, so what will happen here, I don't know. That's the fun of this, I think. So yeah, this is the game loop so far is something around this, and then if you can walk down and continue down the level. So now we're down 1 level here, and then you work your way up. At the end, there's a deep rat. Yeah, so that's what I have right now. The rats doesn't have any pathfinding yet, but that is something I'm working on as well. So yeah, thanks for this week. I'll see you guys next time.